Ambassador Kimkim Advice, the heavenly sign of today. Today, March 19, 2026, something very special is happening. If you look at the sky, the planets are lining up. But this is not just for scientists to look at. This is a spiritual code for your life. One, what is happening in your soul? Today is the day of the new moon. In the Bible, a new moon is a time to start over. God is closing the old book of your past and opening a new one. The feeling. You might feel emotional today. You might feel like crying or resting. This is because your soul is washing itself. The advice. Do not fight the change. Let go of old anger. Let go of old pain. God is making room for a new blessing. Two, what is happening in your body? The planets are moving in a way that shakes the earth. Your body is made of the earth. The work. You may feel a hum or a shaking in your nerves. This is God tuning your body like a radio. The goal. He is fixing your DNA, the code inside you. He is moving you from stress to peace. Your body is being prepared to carry more of His light. Three, the number 18, the code of life. Today is the 18th. In the ancient language of the Bible, 18 means life. Kai. 18 means end of bondage. In the Bible, the people were often slaves for 18 years before God rescued them. The meaning. Today is your day of rescue. Whatever has been holding you down, debt, sickness, or sadness, is being broken. 1 plus 8 equals 9, and 9 means it is finished. The old cycle is over. Four, the trade and the nations. The world system, governments and banks, is built on greed, but the kingdom of God's system is built on love. The warning. Today, the planets are signaling that the world's way of doing things is failing. The kingdom way. God is setting up a new trade. It is the trade of blessing. If you follow the Master, you will have what you need, even when the world is shaking. The final advice from Ambassador Kimkim. The Master is coming. The 18 alignment is His footprint in the stars. Be still. Listen to your heart today. Be one. Let your action and your love work together. Be ready. The King does not just want to live in heaven. He wants to live in you. Lift up your eyes and look to the heavens. Who created all these? He who brings out the starry host one by one and calls them each by name. Isaiah 40:26. Ambassador Kimkim, a man sent from God. Shalom.